All right, everybody, this is a little sneak peek behind the scenes. This is the calm before the storm because we are ready for the E4 Washington, D.C. stop on this E4 fall tour. Let's go. All right, so now we're ready to get the party started. The E4 tour is back to the East Coast. We're in Washington, D.C., as I stated, and I'm happy to kick off this fall tour with a little bit of rise and grind. Let's go. So, this is your first E4 experience. What brought you here?
Just wanted to see what was going on around here, trying to see what it's all about, see what else, what we can do, what stuff we can use, and how we can make our classrooms better and our experiences better for faculty, staff, students, everyone.
All right, so we're at the E4 Experience Tour here in Washington, D.C. I am here with my friend that I finally get to meet in person, Carlos. Thank you so much for your time today. I just want to ask you, why did you attend the show today? What made you come out and check out the experience?
Yeah, so I'm here actually, just like everyone else here, to learn more about the future of audio and visual technologies. More specifically, for me, spatial audio and extended reality technologies, because that plays a major part right now in the AV industry. So yeah, I'm just here to network and continue to learn. It's a lifelong journey.
Hey, E4 is the best place to come learn, engage, experience, and explore the show floor. So Carlos, thank you for your time. Enjoy the show. Pleasure meeting you, brother. DC has been showing so much love for this E4 experience. I'm so happy. Right now, we've been having a great time. As you can see, we talked to some of the newcomers and first-timers to the E4 experience. It's just a vibe. You need to be here. You need to learn. You need to educate. You need to engage. And that's exactly what we're going to keep doing. So let's go check it out.
Looking forward to us having a record number of exhibitors in Boston, 55. We're actually going to have 2 separate halls because we have so much great product and new partners. So I'm excited to see what that's going to bring.
Awesome, awesome. So new people, new partners, but still the same vibes. But the E4 is the best stop in any region, and we'll see you in Boston. Thank you for your time, Melody.
Thanks, Alicia.
All right, so this is the first time the E4 tour has been back to the East Coast in 3 years. And man, what a day. What a day we had. It was all about good vibes, good food, good education, and good old-fashioned networking. Until next time, we'll see you in Boston.